So in this question we're asked to solve the following equation and to give our answer in the form m over n, where m and n are natural numbers. So in other words, we just have to give this as a fraction, and we know it's going to be a positive fraction, and we're basically given this algebraic kind of equality here, except that it's kind of in fraction form. We just need to tidy it up and get x on one side. So to begin doing this, what I always do first is just identify the numbers on the bottom and then figure out what we've got to multiply across by. So because we've got 2 and 3 in the bottom here, I think the best idea is to multiply across by 6, because that's going to get rid of both of them. So in general, let's say just multiply by both the numbers in the bottom regardless of what they are. So we know 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And so if we multiply across here by 6, we're just going to have our two fractions multiplied by 6. So both terms on the left hand side. And then on the right hand side, we're going to have 16 times 6 as well. And so our next step is going to be to begin to cancel things. So we can see we've got a 6 on the top and a 2 on the bottom, so it's going to end up as 3 here in a second, and then a 6 over 3 is going to end up as 2. And so when we tidy it up, it's going to look like this. And so our next step is just going to be to simplify these brackets. So we're going to have essentially multiplying in 3 here, so 3 times 3x and 3 times 5, and then we're going to do the same thing for this bracket with 2 times x and 2 times minus 4. And then 96 on the right hand side is just 16 times 6. And so now you can see we've gotten rid of all our fractions and all our brackets, and so we're starting to make progress here. And our next step is going to be to get the x's on one side and the numbers on the other side. So I'm going to put the x's on the left hand side, so we can see that we've got a 9x and a 2x, which is going to become 11x on the left hand side. And then to deal with the numbers, we've got a 96 as we know on the right hand side. We've got this 15 and this minus 8. So basically what I'm going to do is simplify this first. So we've got 15 minus 8, which is going to give us plus 7 on the left hand side, and then 96 stays the same. And then we simply subtract across by 7, and by doing that we're going to get that 11x is equal to 89. And finally, to get it in the proper form, which is in fraction form, we simply divide across by 11, and we're going to get this fraction 89 over 11. And this is as simple as it can be, because 11 is a prime number, and so there's no factors of 89, which are going to be some factor of 11 as well, so we can't really simplify it any further. And so that is going to be the final answer for this question.